That painting is so funny.
Comes with all appliances. Yeah, it's like open to everything.
You can do it more. Living room. Okay, entry. Okay, I won't record you.
Are the bedrooms the same size? Yeah,
I
besides the closet.
I'm gonna give you a printout so you'll have the dimensions.
Bedroom.
That closet is like, yeah. Nice. I know. Here's a washer dryer right here.
Oh yeah, these are the ones with washer and dryer.
Oh, okay.
Yep, every apartment comes with a washer dryer and a garage.
Cool. Wash dryer. Oh yeah, the bedrooms.
Not a lot of the residential living ones
Excuse me.
have
them. I
The
know.
ones by your school.
No, yeah.
Oh, so this is like, it's like this room is smaller, but it comes with a walk-in closet. You know?
Did you look at it?
Oh no, I didn't. Oh, maybe. Oh, it is really nice.
It's huge.
Yeah.
But I don't really care about a walk-in closet, but I know that
You're not a
you do.
girl.
I don't
but-
care. Oh well, I
don't care either.
care somehow. Okay. No, I have a lot of clothes, but I mean, it doesn't matter if I have to pay less. It's fine, you know. Okay. Oh.
It's one of the nice